Hello, my name is Eternity, and my group and I decided that we're going to work on Chapter 8. The concept that I'm going to be focusing on is electron configurations. I'm just going to show you guys how to do that with an element. So we're going to be talking about nitrogen. With nitrogen, we have the 7 electrons at the top, then the symbol N stands for nitrogen, and then the 14 is the atomic mass. So going forward, with the energy levels, the first energy level contains 1s, and then the second energy level contains 2s and 2p, and then the third energy level contains 3s, 3p, and 3d. Now for nitrogen, we're just going to stop right here because we're only trying to get 7 electrons. S value holds up to 2, the P value holds up to 6, and the D value holds up to 10, as you can see while we're stopping at D. So with that being said, let's calculate the numbers. So 1 is 2, and then we do 2 is 2. We cross these out as we go, and then we're gonna stop at 2p3. So we don't need all 6 of the p. We're just only needing 3 because we're getting to 7. And then 7. So if you were doing any other if we were doing any other element, you would just go as far as you need to go to get all of your configurations for your electrons. That's the end of this concept. Hope you learned something.
Okay, for my project, I did chapter 8, and I'm going to focus on volume. My core concept is volume is a measure of the amount of space that a substance or an object takes up. For my problem, I used if ice has a density of 0.92, what is the volume of 5,000 grams of ice? So the volume formula is mass divided by density. So I circled the density and the mass. I plugged them into the equation, and I got 5,434.78. And for my references, I used the book and Google to find a question and to help me with the core concept.
Hi, my name is Deja Green, and my group decided to do Chapter 8, and my concept is wavelength. So the question is, a neutron with a mass of 1.68 times 10 to the negative 27 kilograms moves from a nuclear reactor with a velocity of 3.22 times 10 to the third. What is the de Broglie wavelength of the neutron? So we're looking for the wavelength of the neutron, but we have the velocity and we have the mass. This is the formula to find the wavelength, which is Planck's constant over mass times velocity. So we just fill in the numbers, and we get 1.23 times 10 to the negative 10.
Hi, my name is Zachary Tansel, and we chose chapter 8, and my concept is measurement units. So the question is 2.5 kilometers greater than, equal to, or less than 2,500 millimeters? Or that's not millimeters, that is meters. 2,500 meters. So what you have to do, you have to convert. Well, first of all, you have to know the units. So kilometers, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000. Let me change that. 1,000 meters. So once you convert it, so 2.5 kilometers is actually 2,500 meters. And 2,500 meters is equal to 2,500 meters. So this question is actually 2.5 K. 2.5 kilometers is equal to 2,500 millimeters. I'm gonna edit this up and it's gonna be better for like the final video, but yes. And I'm gonna have more questions too. But this is my concept. This is Zachary Tansel, and this is my group. Thank you.